Hi, glad to see you in good health. Did you know that jelly has many health benefits? Here are some of them. Digestive aid. With each spoonful, the jelly's smooth texture glides down your throat, soothing your stomach and aiding digestion, making it a comforting choice for those with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. Hydration. The gentle quiver of the jelly is a reminder of its high water content, contributing to your daily hydration goals, especially on warm days. Nutrient source. Depending on its ingredients, each bite of jelly can deliver a burst of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, adding a nutritional boost to your day. Quick energy. Need a pick-me-up? The natural sugars in jelly provide a quick burst of energy, perfect for a midday boost or post-workout snack. Calming effect. Picture a serene afternoon with a cup of chamomile or lavender jelly. These soothing flavors not only tantalize your taste buds, but also calm your mind, promoting relaxation. Skin benefits. Beyond being a delicious treat, jelly can double as a skin moisturizer, leaving your skin soft and supple after application. Hair care. Surprisingly versatile, jelly can also serve as a natural hair gel, taming unruly locks without the harsh chemicals found in commercial products. Sore throat relief. On chilly evenings, a warm spoonful of jelly can be a soothing balm for a sore throat, providing instant relief. Collagen boost. Indulging in jelly-containing collagen can work wonders for your skin's elasticity and support joint health, a sweet way to nourish your body from within. Weight management. Opting for low-calorie or sugar-free jelly varieties can be a guilt-free addition to your diet, assisting in weight management efforts. Immune support. Fruits high in vitamin C, often found in jelly, can give your immune system a boost, helping you stay healthy and resilient. Dental health. For those mindful of oral hygiene, sugar-free jelly can satisfy sweet cravings without compromising dental health, a win-win for your taste buds and teeth. Relaxation. Picture yourself soaking in a warm bath infused with aromatic jelly. The calming scent and moisturizing properties create a spa-like experience right at home. Cooling effect. On scorching summer days, chilled jelly can be a refreshing treat, keeping you cool and hydrated. Easy to consume. Its soft, jiggly texture makes jelly easy to eat and digest, making it suitable for individuals with swallowing difficulties or sensitive digestion. Homemade remedies. Harnessing the power of herbal jellies can be part of your arsenal for homemade remedies, offering comfort and relief for various ailments. Entertainment. Beyond its health benefits, making jelly can be a fun and creative activity, perfect for bonding with loved ones or unleashing your inner chef. Entertainment. Beyond its health benefits, making jelly can be a fun and creative activity, perfect for bonding with loved ones or unleashing your inner chef. Gelatin benefits. Last but not least, let's not forget the gelatin in jelly, known for its joint-supporting properties, aid in improving sleep quality, and gentle assistance in digestion. Within this delightful concoction lies a mix of essential components, each playing a role in both flavor and health. First and foremost, there's water, the foundation of jelly, providing hydration with every spoonful. Then comes the sugar, traditionally used to sweeten, but now often replaced with natural alternatives for those mindful of their sugar intake. The star of the show is the fruit, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that not only lend flavor but also contribute to overall well-being. Gelatin steps in as the magical gelling agent, giving jelly its signature wobble. Acids like lemon juice add a tangy kick and help activate the gelling process. While some commercial jellies may contain preservatives and additives, homemade versions steer clear, focusing on wholesome ingredients. Jelly was first produced in China before the 17th century. Later, on an industrial scale, jelly production began in California in 1919, followed by Japan. To this day, Japan is known as the main producer of jelly in the world. In Japan, jelly is called kantan, written in 2 kanji characters. Kantan itself means winter sky. The long winter season is the best time for making kantan. It was Incan Zenji, in 1654, a priest in Japan, who gave the name kantan. At that time, jelly became very famous in Japan and became one of the foods for priests. Eventually, jelly gained worldwide fame during World War II. During that time, Japanese soldiers carried jelly flour as a substitute for rice. In Japan itself, jelly became popular through various culinary creations, such as yokon and anmitsu. Yokon is a light dessert with a composition of red bean paste, jelly, and sugar. Meanwhile, anmitsu is a dish of jelly with a mix of fruit slices. Did you know there is an interesting true story about jelly? It involves the former president of the United States, Ronald Reagan, and his love for jelly beans. In 1983, during the Space Shuttle Challenger's flight, Reagan decided to send Jelly Belly brand jelly beans into space. Reagan had a well-known fondness for jelly beans. He often carried large quantities of them in his pockets and enjoyed sharing them with those around him. Because of this, he had a personal connection to the Jelly Belly brand and saw a unique opportunity to send them into space. During the Challenger flight, which tragically met with an accident in 1986, Jelly Belly jelly beans were used as part of a scientific experiment focusing on the effects of zero gravity on food. Jelly beans were considered a suitable choice for this experiment due to their unique shape and properties. While this story may seem quirky and unusual, it is a historical fact that occurred during Reagan's presidency and remains a memorable anecdote about his love for jelly beans.